1964 C10 with a 350. Really beautifully done truck. This guy deals with them all the time. He's going to be bringing us a lot of them from what he says. So we will see. Anyway, it's got shorty headers on each side. And then 2 1/4 pipe into 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Part number 815425S. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes we did on this truck. Into Chevy bow ties to complete the look. There. And there, as you guys can see, came out really beautiful, really clean. Nice and hidden. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a beautiful truck. Check it out, guys. He just got it painted. He's still working on it, get it all done. Let you guys hear it in a minute. I like those. Let's see what she sounds like. Sounds phenomenal. Okay? That's blowing fire, bro. Rev it. All right, gotta back it up. Sounds good though. He's backfiring like crazy.